Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 2 Hand-on Exercise 2 Simulation Training. Click Launch. So open the Word Chapter 2 Hand-on Exercise Chapter 2 Simulation Training. Total question is 4. We move to the question number 1. Click the place insertion point before the paragraph, bottom left column, page 4, beginning with the no for a fun part on page 4. So before the paragraph, bottom left, page 4, beginning no for fun part, beginning no for fun part, insert types and picture groups, and click the insert a picture. Enter and click insert, and with the picture selected, quick layout and choose the tight. Click tight, click OK. Positions and before the dark photo heading, red 3 page 3, insert the smart dot, choosing the basic metric layout metric groups. Session point dark photo heading, before the dark photo heading, before the dark photo heading, go to the insert types and click the smart dot and choose the basics process metric layout, basics metric layouts, so select the basics metric layout. Click OK. Top left shape of the smart dot graphic and type the missed focus. Type the missed focus. And top right shape is the shaky frame. Shaky frame. And next, select the basic photo, first line of the page 1, photography on the page 1, word dot styles. So format the text word or style using the text typing automatically. So go to the insert types and click the word or styles and row 1 column 2. Click OK. So question number 1 is complete, and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, click anywhere right of column page 1 and drag the small text box, resize the box heading 1 and insert the small text box, resize the and height 1. So click the shape format tabs and shape height is 1 and width is 3. So with this 3 and press enter and type the word of photography. Open to anyone, including the period, and change the font size. The word photograph is open to 16. Go to Home tabs and change the font size type 16 and press enter and change the wrapping text square to text box to square. Square, click OK and close the layout. Add the right basic photography heading. Write photography. So basics of the photography heading. So basics of the photography. So go to the insert tabs and click the shape. Click the star and banner. Explosion 8. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is select the smart art graphic on page 3. Smart art design and poly styles. Go to the smart art design and select the poly styles. Click OK and click the format tabs and the size group type 2 and width 2.5 and press enter and select the text box. So select the text box and go to the shape format tabs and click the shape fill blue SN1 lighter 80%. Click OK and shape outline black text 1 and click the explosion shape top page, change the height to and change the shape height 0.75 and press enter and Control D, drag to the left side. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is explosion page 1 shift and banners and click group. Go to the shape format tabs and click group and change the wrapping top and bottom. Click OK. Set the column break shooting below the heading on page 3. Shooting from below heading. Insert tabs and click the column break. Insert the column break before the shooting from below. Shooting from below. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments. Click OK. So upload the assignments and check the score. You can see the current score is 100%. Watch chapter 2 and on exercise simulation training.